Hey, what's up, you champs? My name is Luis Mario Gonzalez from ATROX CUSTOMS, and thank you so much for getting into this new video of the series of the Camaro ZL1 2018 that we have purchased the past week. So 5 days ago I purchased my Camaro ZL1. Well, actually I purchased it 1 month ago, but I take delivery of my car here in Tijuana because I purchased it in Monterrey, Nuevo León, but I take delivery here in Tijuana, Baja California, like 5 days ago. And there's a lot of points that I want to touch with you. If you have not seen the video of the delivery, sorry, I just made that video in Spanish, so you can go and check it out in the ATROX Custom channel in Spanish, and I will try my best to do these videos in English. I know that I sucks about talking English. I know that my accent is pretty bad, or very bad, whatever, as you can see. But I will make my best try. I want to get into the English channel. I want to get in my channel in the USA and the other countries that speak English. So I will try my best. Hope I can see these videos in 1 year and seeing how better I get talking English. I hope so. If not, fuck me. So whatever. Okay, so I took the delivery of my car, and in the dealership they told me that I had like some accessories in my truck. So I want to check that accessories out because I don't know if that part has to be installed in the dealership, why they didn't do it, or why they don't put it in the transport. As far as I know, some parts in the car has to be installed by the dealer before taking delivery to the customer, but I don't know why they didn't do it. So I will check it out, the accessories in the trunk, and see if I have to install it or not. And I have some stickers that I have been made in my plotter right here. I have some stickers that we're going to put in the car. And so now that I have been driving the car like for 5 days, I know which modifications I have to do, where I want to do more or first than others. So we will talk about that and see what's going to be the next process with the car. So we have the stickers ready. We have the poster of the ZL1. As you guys can know how long I've been wishing having the ZL1 in my life. And we have this steering wheel of Subaru BRZ, Scion FRS, Toyota 86 in stock, carbon fiber, brand new, with this sport leather, red stitching, red top line. So if you guys want it, please go to our Instagram that is right here and send us a message. Okay, so let's go, because this night we have some street races or some legal races here in Tijuana. So we need to put the ZL1 ready with the stickers and everything to make presents on that in that event and kick some asses. So let's go. Alright, champ, so this is all we get when you purchase your Camaro ZL1 and you get it in the trunk. This is what we get. First, we receive it like these protections for the under bumper. As you can see, they're very soft. It's like a protection, so you if you touch the floor, you will do it with this. If you're going to scratch it, you're going to scratch this, not the bumper. So it's pretty cool. Maybe we can install it. We're going to see. We have here the instructions and the hardware almost included. It's not all, but something. We will check it out if we can put this. Also, we got license plate attaching hardware because we doesn't have the license plate right now. We do have our hazard. I don't know how to fucking say it, but we have this for the road. Hardware kit, I don't know for what, maybe for these two. And we have this that is pretty weird. Attachment kit, suspension count arm. It's going to be placed in the back of the car and covers this. I don't know why. I don't know what is the function of this. Are going to be placed right here. Let me show you guys. Right there. Maybe it will look cleaner. I don't know why they made it. Anyway, we doesn't have tools to do it today. Maybe we're going to do it tomorrow. Do we have this? with our hardware. We have this for putting some gas on it. Pretty useful. We're going to keep it in the car. The bags, and the license plate, front license plate hardware to mount it. Of course, we're not going to put the license plate on a CL1. That's ridiculous. Anyway, we doesn't have plates right now. The car is brand new and it's in Mexico, so no worries for it. Okay, so we're going to first try to install this and check it out. Alright, champ, so we have everything right here in front of the car. We have the tools, and I forget to announce that we're going to put the front bumper mask for the 6th generation Camaros. It's a good option, even for CL1s, SS, RS, all kind of 6th generation Camaros can put this, and it's a great solution to protect your front bumper from all the dirt and the rocks, to make chips on your front bumper paint. And obviously in this car that is brand new, I want to keep it clean, so we're going to use this and start installing first that ones. Alright, champ, so it looks like these ones are not for the CL1, will be for the SS and the RS, but it's not for CL1 for sure, because I already tried to make it fit both, and the bolt pattern doesn't match with any other bolt inside of the car. No one fits. So for sure, checking more videos and checking internet, these ones are not for the CL1. That's 100% sure. Maybe because the CL1 already has the wind splitter, the larger wind splitter. So for sure it's not for him. So I will have this for sale if someone wants it for 50 bucks, or brand new for the any Camaro 6th generation, not CL1.
Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I gave you everything. My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I gave you everything. Talk to me, I need to hear you need me like I need you. Fall for me, I wanna know. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I
Right, boys, so about the license plate, should be placed like something like otherwise, something like that. But of course we're not going to put it because it looks so ugly, so it's not an option. We're going to proceed to install this.
saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. Talk to me, I need to hear you need me like I need you. Fall for me, I wanna know. This made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right,
Alright champ, so this is the final look. I love it so much because it's masked. It's not like the leather, so the air can go through, the water can go through, and it will protect for anything like rock chips and everything. So it's beautiful. I love it so much, and this is the way, so you can install it like in 10 minutes. It was pretty fast, and you can take it off the same way and put it in your trunk, look it, and traveling and everything. Final result, as you guys know, in the Spanish channel we did a live transmission, so all my subscribers that used super chat send me their names and we write it in the hood. So thank you so much for all the subscribers that are in the hood to make possible this car. I already put all the tags, ATROX Customs there, ATROX Customs there, and the Instagrams down here, and here, don't fuck with me for today's races. Okay champs, so thank you so much for watching this video. This weekend we're going to take the car to a grab shop. The name is AG Stalin Garage. They are going to make a grab for the car, use some lines in the back sides, and we're going to change all the stickers and grab the hood and the roof in matte black to start changing the car to the 1LE ZL1 1LE. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I want to know your opinions. Please comment below and share this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and like every race we have just reached the end. Thank you so much for watching, and let your car talk for you. See you later.